In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your back glass support on your Honda CR-V. It's located on the rear door. Make sure you support your glass with something soft so you don't break it and so that it doesn't come down on you. Okay, so you're going to pull this back on the bottom rod and take it off. So then you're going to get on this one and do the same. Once you get your screwdriver under there, should pop right off. All right, so now you're going to pull out the tab on the new one and get ready to put it on the top using a flathead screwdriver. Push it on and release it. Make sure it snaps back into place and test it before attaching it on the bottom. All right, make sure that your rod is facing the right way to attach it on the bottom. And you're going to pull out the metal tab again by inserting a flathead screwdriver. If you need to, you can push up on your window. Push it on. Make sure that your locking tab is locked and in place. After you're done, you can remove your prop.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.